To reduce GHG emissions, renewable energy acceleration is warranted. But it is difficult to find new areas for solar and wind farms compliant with ESG considerations. Tensiogen Compass solves these issues. Using its unique AI to combine various satellite data with environmental, social, and regulation data, Compass quickly finds optimal areas that generate electricity and maximize social consensus, speeding up your decision-making process and accelerating your revenue growth, as well as improving ESG scoring and contributing to SDGs. Together we can ensure a sustainable energy supply and sustainable society by reducing GHG emissions.